Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Yeah, this episode, as you can see, a whole bunch of parts. We just picked up a kid's bed off of, I think Craigslist. Obviously, when you're getting stuff used off of Craigslist, the instructions usually don't come with it. So, this should be fun. If I didn't have something to figure out, I wouldn't be Average Mike. We'll push this over here for now. And everything just kind of falling apart there. Falling over on me. Let's see here. I think this one is going to go to that corner over there. And this one's going to be, I think that's going to be that one there. And I got two more over here. I'm almost thinking bring it here in the middle, so you can see you really see what's going on here. That out. Awesome. These two looks like they might fit together. I might be wrong. Wait, is that upside down? Or is that the way that goes? No, this is the way this goes. Okay. Mystery puzzle box. I almost wish I had a part of tearing this down, but no, it was already torn down when I got there. Some hardware. Now I'm starting to get somewhere. Okay, got that much figured out. Yeah, that doesn't look that bad. Okay. That might be more or less correct. Get that out of there so you can put this into the wall. We're going to slide the boards out of the way for now. Hey, I think I'm starting to get somewhere. Don't want to speak too soon on that though. I guess lift this up. There we go. It's almost starting to look somewhat legit. Move that out of the way for now. Lift that up and yes, okay. Now I'm guessing all these little pegs go into these little holes like this, and that seems to fit pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna make an ass out of you and me right now, and stick the rest of them that go into this side. Uh-oh. Yep, okay, got it. Okay, close enough. Alright, now let's do the other side. I have a feeling I'm about to box myself in here, but yeah, it'll be okay. I'll put this up against the wall for now. I'm guessing I'm just going to repeat the whole process on this side. Let's see if this works here. Yeah, here's that hole drilled for this. Okay. Just to be on the safe side, I think I'm gonna put in this corner peg now. Good. All right. Almost done. Alright, yeah. I got a little bit more work to do here. I got these bars. It looks like they go in like this. I'm guessing that's about good. Alright. Okay, one more of these to put in over on the other side here, and it's just about ready to put the mattress on it and call it a day. There it is, folks. Another job done. Yeah, you got any weird projects like this that you just picked up off the Craigslist on a whim, and there's no instructions to build it? Let me know. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Can't remember. Is it over here or is it over here? Well, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here. Click on that. You're automatically subscribed to my channel. Yeah, don't forget to hit that share button. I know I usually forget to say that, but it's right about here. Yep, there it is. Click on that. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Yeah, you got any suggestions, anything you want to see in some future videos, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.